Hello guys, welcome to the Clave channel. For today's video, I will gonna teaching you how to make your front suspension tower and make some restrictions so that your wheels will not gonna bump into your T-post. So as you can see, I already made the first one, so let's do the second one. These are the materials that we're gonna be using: a front suspension, butterfly measuring device, wrench, a pipe cutter, Allen key, a oil seal, and first we need to tighten the butterfly into the suspension so that we can rotate the top cup. Yeah, I don't know what do we call that. Next, we need to remove the Allen screw in the bottom and then remove that black part, and then immediately get the container so that your mommy will not gonna be angry. Then we need to remove the top cap or bolt. I don't know what do we call that, but you need to remove it, and it's hard to remove. You know, my chin gets bloody. Yeah, fast forward. Okay, boom, boom, come on, boom, boom. Okay na. Come on, boom. And then the pipe will come out, a washer, a spring, and I don't know what do we call that, but it is like a button. Yeah, that button, you know. Then we need to measure a 8.2 centimeter, and we're gonna cut it using a pipe cutter. Yeah, just turn and tighten it until it's gonna be cut, and then measure it again so that we are sure that it is enough, and if it is not enough, you can use a sandpaper so that you can get the desired length, you know. Yeah, come on, faster. And then we're gonna assemble it. Yeah, the button, the pipe, and the spring. And then just shoot it into that silver tube, you know. And then put the spring, the big spring, the long spring, and then the washer, and then the another pipe. And this is the tricky part, the bolt. It is hard to put it again. You need the brute force. Yeah, come on. Yeah, oh my god, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's now tight. You see, it has super duper a little bit of play. And then that spacer, I don't know what do you call that, but it is like a spacer or a hardener so that the button light will not gonna be destroyed. And then we're gonna remove the dust cap. Yeah, remove the dust cap. It's hard to remove, right? Yeah, you can use anything that you can use. And then the pin of the oil seal. Yeah, come on, remove it. Yeah, so rusty. Boom, it's removed. And then we're gonna use a wrench so that we can remove the oil seal. Yeah, it's hard to remove. I use some knives and some flat screwdriver to remove it. Yeah, let's fast forward. Boom. Need to put the new oil seal and then use a socket to push that in place, and then put the pin. I already cleaned the pin. Yeah, put that pin, come on. Yeah, boom. And then the dust cap. Yeah, so guys, I will not gonna put some oil in it because I don't have enough money. I'm gonna put oil in the future. Yo, that handsome face. Then we're gonna tight the bolt, the Allen bolt. I don't know what do you call that, Allen or Allen screw or bolt. Yeah, tied it up. Yeah. COVID-19. Tight. Ooh la la. Boom. Ching. Then you see it has so little play. It has little play. Yeah. So it's now finished. You see? If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and like and share this out. Yeah.